Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and installing the Raptor lights. I already went ahead and I installed them, and this is just gonna be a quick intro and show you what they look like. All right, as you can see, they look pretty neat, and go ahead and follow this video for easy to do instructions. All right, so today I'm gonna be adding these Raptor lights to the grill. So just gonna be, we're gonna go right here, 2 and 3. But first I'm gonna go ahead and remove the grill, so because I'm gonna drill a hole down the middle here, and I just don't want to screw it up. So I went ahead and removed these pins. Still one left. There is a center tab that you got to pop out, and then afterwards these just slide right out. So easy peasy. All right, so once you got all the pins out, it's just easy to just slide it out, and you are set. So what I want to do is I just want to go ahead and have a little bit more access to get my hand behind here, because I'm going to be drilling a hole right in center, so this little puppy can fit there. Okay, there's already these notches here, so I'm just going to go ahead and drill a small hole here and on this one over here, and they're going to be perfectly centered, evenly spaced with the one here. You know, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to, I don't want to make a big hole, so I'm going to cut this, feed it through, and then splice it, you know, solder it back into here. So after I cut it and feed it through, I'm going to reconnect it using these, you know, solder connectors, and then I'm just going to put another sleeve over it just to make sure, just to protect it from the elements. You know, not too complicated. There we go. I have to make it just a little bit wider, but we're almost there. So I got the hole, and there you go, perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and screw it in there. All right, so in order for me to screw it, I'm just going to go ahead and make these little leader holes just so it can be easier just to screw these on. So this is going to be my setup. I'm going to go ahead and push it through, then slide these in once it's in the back. Then just like that. Then solder, heat that up, and then slide this over. Then heat that up just to protect it, just an extra assurance. And that's it. And then just plug. So this is going to be the connector. It's going to get soldered and it's going to get welded shut. Alright, so I went ahead and I did one. It's already soldered and plugged in, and this is going to be the connector. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I already have my fog lights plugged in. So this is the positive right here, you know, for the auxiliary switch. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this open and splice into here. And this is my ground, so I'm just going to go ahead and also tap into that, and we are set. And I already have the lights screwed on. Give you a wider look. And there they are.
Alright, so we're going to slide these in.
So this is the wires that are plugged into my fog lights. So I'm going to go ahead and use these taps, wire taps, to run this wire to here, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and splice in all three lights, so that way when my fog lights are on, which they're always on, you know, the three lights are going to be on. So we'll see. All right, so I got all three in here. I'm just going to go ahead and shrink wrap this, and these I'm going to go ahead and use these tabs. And this is, I went ahead and peeled some of it off. This is my positive, this is my ground, and this is already connected, wired to my my fog lights. So as long as my fog lights are on, my Raptor lights are going to be on as well. All right, so went ahead and I plugged these in. There's my auxiliary 3, which is my I think it's 3 or 6. It's connected to my auxiliary switches, and that's what's powering my fog lights. And now it's also powering my Raptor lights. And so here's the wiring. All three are all spliced into two, positive and negative, and I ran this. I used these piggyback plugs, and now it's just time to clean up the wiring and put this cover back on, and we're set.